Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how you can change the color of the bars on the chart. Previously it was not possible, but Monday has just released that functionality on your dashboards and on your boards as well. So if you want to change the color of the bar, you need to click on these three dots, then click on settings. Then you would be able to see customization tab. If you click on that, you would be able to see customized label colors. Now if you click on that, you would be able to see the color for each bar. Let's say we want to change it to from blue to, let's say, yellow, and it will change it into yellow. Then second one, let's say, to brown, it would change into brown. And then just close this, it's done. I hope you like the video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment. Thank you.